Hi, this is Willem Nelson from Bunnypan. So this is just a quick demo of a CMS website that's also connected to a LMS system. That is, in other words, a learning module system or university or online training website. So this website's still in development, but it's almost ready to go live. So the company brand is TMS Africa. We've developed this brand for the client as well. So this is the landing page, or will be the landing page for the home page for the client. If you land here we've got a moving banner on the home page. So we can have one more, or 3 or 5 moving banners. They can also link to certain pages. We've got the intro of the company, and also just like a infographic that says they're web-based campus, they do training and mediation solutions. They've got accessible training, high quality, and it's affordable. If I click on this read more, it will take me to the about page. View all courses and download our material. So in other words, if I click on this banner, at the moment it's just not connected, but I'll show you when you go to it. You will view all the different courses that are available. At the moment they've got categories: community and development courses, ethics and industry, practice and management courses, and social worker skills development. We can add on this too as well. It's just to if there's 100 courses, we can just chop them up in different categories as well. If I click on all training courses, it will show me all of them. And you've got an explainer just to explain to people how the system works, just to make it easier as a user experience. So we'll explain: choose your course, pay online, learn via the online portal, and this is the LMS system itself. With the pay online, we've got our system. You can pay with PayPal and pay fast. So in other words, you can pay online, even pay when you're in a different country, and the payment will happen online, and it also, after that, it will direct you to the learning portal, and when you log back into the website and log out, you will have access to your online training, like an online training system. So they will send the clients certifications when they completed their courses, and they will earn CPD points. That's important for this type of industry. Then you can start with your new course. You can also buy 2, 3 or 5 courses at once. You don't have to do one course and then the next one. It's just a business model. And what we've done here, we see that the learning module, it's just advertising the learning module portal. It looks almost like this. I'll show it on a different video. What's nice about this portal, it's available on Google Play and Android and Apple Store, also on Windows Store. So it's what has happened here, we've used an LMS system called Moodle, and what Moodle does is it has its own app, so you don't have to develop an app specifically for your brand. We just take that app, we connect it to the LMS system, and it brands the app with your own branding, and only your students have access to that specific training. So it's nice. In other words, they can lie in bed, or they can sit in the train station, whatever, and receive online training without needing to have a PC or a laptop with them. The great thing is apps are so expensive especially to get them rolled out in the Apple Store. So the app is for free, and you can just carry on and just use the app for free. And so that's a nice feature. And when your clients access the app, it will be branded with your brand. So that's a cool feature. So the app has private messaging, also the online learning module. It's secured. You can connect and participate with the participants of the course. It's responsive. It's easy to navigate. It's got notifications. It even has a calendar. So if a dean or a lecturer is also present on the system and giving assignments to the people. The dean can actually, or the lecturer can create calendar events and tell them next week there will be a new course. So in other words, I've got two clients. One client has got a university, and other words, the students come in, they receive classes, but also offline they will receive tasks to do. They will also receive offline or online training via the portal. So in that case, the deans are very they're also participating in the learning system. With TMS, it's different. The person will buy the course, they will log in, they go through the course, and so what will happen is there's no outside lecturer available. So, but it can be done both ways. So that's nice about it, and I said about the mobile app. And the easy online payments, it happens actually on the website, the online payments to buy the courses. This client also has upcoming workshops, or they have live workshops. So they are doing a workshop in Pretoria and Cape Town now. And that's why they need to launch to get this marketed. And you'll see there's a nice big button to book now. What will happen is if you click on book now, it will take you to the workshops page. And there we've got a system where the people can actually book their seats for these workshops, and they can see upcoming workshops. And if the seats are fully booked, the system will tell, okay, listen, we can't book anymore. And they can also do online payments via the booking system. So it has a nice booking system facility. If I scroll down, it says latest courses. So what will happen here is I can see the latest courses that are available to go and buy. These are just a few of the courses. There are actually quite a lot of courses. In a different video, I'm going to show you how I buy a course and how I get access to the LMS system. But when they add a new course, it will show here. You can also go and click, like I said, on here to view the rest of the courses. If you scroll down, they've got a nice long homepage, but it's like a call to action page to all the different features. So you've got a nice join newsletter, subscribe to newsletter function, and then this chats with MailChimp or Chimpmail, and so it's nice. I can send out newsletters from there, but it integrates with the website. And that makes the brand a little bit different to the other people in the industry. They've got a discussion forum, quite a modern one, not the old type of forums. So in this forum, you don't have to buy a course to participate here. It's completely free. So people in the industry and throughout Africa can sit on this forum and chat and post questions. They can participate in polls, and they can help each other develop the industry even better and get answers. I'll create a video that also explains how this forum works as well. It's nice and modern. Here you can just click and join. So in other words, the user will still have to create a profile, username and password, and they can update their profile like in any social media type of platform or forum, and they can participate there without buying courses. So it's more to cater to the complete industry, or the mediators and social worker environment. And we've just got a contact form that can be filled in if you've got questions. You will see the brand is quite big. The client likes the big icons and overpowering visual call to actions, and it fits with their brand, and it makes the website not content heavier, though there's a lot of content on this page. It looks nice and clean designed, and this is to tell you can pay online. And they've got a footer with all the terms and conditions, privacy policy. They've also got an FAQ page. I'll create that in another video as well. And on that FAQ page, the people can get answers to ask questions. They also have videos there that will show you how to log in and log out, reset your password, and stuff like that. Another thing that makes this website functional, I'll show that in a different video as well, or marketable, is the blog. So it has a nice blog where they can blog new stuff, share to social media, and also market the courses and workshops there as well. So just to go here on top, so what will happen is you will see items. It's like a normal cart, like purchasing any other item. So if I add a course now, I will have one item there. I can log in, log out. Currently I'm logged in. I can reset my password. I've got the option to register. This register will be for the forum itself. And then I can view my courses I've bought. I'll show you in that different video how that works, and I can manage my account here on top. So that's just for that menu. Okay, so I'll create more videos, and maybe you're interested or know somebody that's interested in this type of platform. It's a complete business to itself. And the other client I have is called Eiffel. They do university training, and they've already in 6 months' time. They actually shorter, I think about 4 to 3 months. They've recovered the return on investment just on the development of the system and the website, and that's with paying other stuff as well. So I see it's you get portals where you can do training, but it's not sitting on your own domain, so it's on someone else's portal, and you're sharing training with another company that's hosting it for you. The problem there is if they ever close down, or the website gets nulled or whatever, you don't have your training anymore. So it's better to build it and manage it yourself on your own domain, and you own the system. So that's what I wanted to mention. I'm going to create a few other videos just to show all the functionality as well, and let's take it from there.